I didn't even really read the whole deal. I'm not even sure what I got paid.
What can you tell us about your character, Sarah, the best journalist in the world?
Sarah Haddoff, she's like searching for the truth. She's professional. She arrives at every single scene. She's ready to go. She's kind of this ebullient character that's like rat-a-tat-tat. So I have a lot of exposition in the story, but I also have really fun, sweet moments. And then we have a little like, you know, love thing that's super cute. Dogman!
I mean, Chief is a bit intense at times, right? But he's a you could tell that really loves his city, right? I don't know if he ever said that. And he wants to take care of everything. And he doesn't want to be bad at his job, which is why he cares, like he doesn't want the mayor to be mad at him. He's annoyed at first with Dogman, but then he ended up having so much heart for Dogman and empathy for him. Yeah. So Chief is a very interesting guy, but he's so energetic, and I had so much fun playing him.
Dogman, get in here!